Good morning, children, and welcome to the class of English once again. Today we are going to discuss Unit 52. I want you to and I told you to. Okay, children. So in this, we will see how these two terms are used. See, I want you to. I want you to means मैं चाहता हूँ कि तुम, या मैंने तुम्हें कुछ करने को कहा. ओके, जस्ट लुक एट द एग्जाम्पल. आई वॉन्ट यू टू. आई एम गोइंग. प्लीज डोंट गो. ओके. द वुमन वॉन्ट्स टू गो. द वुमन वॉन्ट्स टू गो. द मैन डजंट वॉन्ट द वुमन टू गो. ही वॉन्ट्स हर टू स्टे. ही वॉन्ट्स हर टू स्टे. वो चाहता है कि वो रुके, वो स्टे करे. Okay, so how do we use this format? I want. Okay, I want. Then you or somebody or जिसका भी नाम है. Then to and then what you want, वो verb, main verb. Okay, this is the sentence structure. Let us look at the examples. First one, I want you to be happy. Not I want that you are happy. ये नहीं बोलते हैं हम, क्योंकि यहाँ पे हम to को यूज कर रहे हैं कि. I want you to be happy. मैं चाहता हूँ कि तुम खुश हो. तो I want you to be happy. Then second, they didn't want anybody to know their secret. They didn't want anybody to know their secret. Third one, do you want me to lend you some money? क्या तुम चाहते हो कि मैं तुम्हें कुछ मनी लेंड करूं, उधार दूं? Got it? We use would like in the same way, है ना. would like भी हम इसी तरह से यूज करते हैं. like, would you like me to lend you some money? So in this, what structure we are using? We are using verb plus somebody plus to and then the main verb. Okay, so just look at these some examples. We can make some sentences from this. Sue asked a friend to lend her some money. Sue asked her friend to lend some money. I told you to be careful. आप इसे क्रॉस क्रॉस करके भी सेंटेंसेस बना सकते हैं. I asked a friend to come with us. I asked a friend to come with me. Okay, or anything. What do you advise me to do? I didn't expect them to be here. We persuaded John to come with us. I taught my brother to swim. What have we done in these sentences? Here, this is our subject. This category is a verb. Then somebody or whoever you want to do, जिसको भी आप चाहते हैं कि वो काम करे. And then to plus, what we are doing? To plus V1 form. And then what action you want to be done with whom. Okay, this is how we make the sentence. Let's see to the other examples. I told you to or I told you not to. Both the negatives are given. Negative and positive are given. Wait for me and told me to wait for her. And ने मुझे उसके लिए wait करने को कहा. Don't wait for me, right? Paul told you not to wait for him. Now use of make and let. Use of make and let. After make and let, we do not use not. है ना? After make and let, we do not use to. यानी make और let के संग हम to का use नहीं करते हैं. Got it? Let's see to the examples. He is very funny. He makes me laugh. He is very funny. He makes me laugh. वो मुझे हंसाता है. He makes me to laugh नहीं होता. He makes me laugh. ठीक है. Then next, at school, our teacher made us work very hard. Made के बाद we have not used any to. Third, Sue let me use her computer. Again, जहाँ let आ रहा है वहाँ उसके बाद हम to नहीं लगाते हैं. You can say let's means let us when you want people to do things with you. जब हम चाहते हैं कि सब मिलकर करें कि आओ हम ये करें. So let us play. Let us discuss something. Your teachers use these lines and these lines means let us do something means आओ मिलकर कुछ करें. Okay. Come on, let's dance. Shall we go out tonight? No, I'm tired. Let us stay at home. Okay. Now let's come to the exercise part. In this exercise, you can see write sentences beginning with I want you. Yeah, I don't want you. Yeah. Do you want me? Means we are going to talk about positive, negative and interrogative sentences with want and to. Okay. First one is already done. They have given us you must come with me. I want you to come with me. Okay. Next. Listen carefully. I want you to listen carefully. Third, please don't be angry. I don't want you to be angry. Please don't आ रहा है ना. Don't means negative. So I don't want you to be angry. Okay. Fourth, shall I wait for you? Means again this is interrogative sentence. Do you want me to wait for you? Do you want me to wait for you? Fifth, don't phone me tonight. I don't want you to phone me tonight. Last one, you must meet Sarah. I want you to meet Sarah. Got it? Now next exercise, look at the pictures and complete the sentences. Okay. First one. Come on, let's go to the cinema. It's a good film. Okay. Now the sentence. Dan persuaded me to go to the cinema. What do you mean by persuaded? किसी को राजी कर लेना. Okay. So Dan persuaded me to go to cinema. Next picture. Where is the station? Turn left after the bridge. Now look at the sentence. I wanted to get to the station. Okay, I wanted to get to the station. A woman told me to turn left. She told के बाद we will add me to turn to the left. Okay, what the woman is saying? Turn left. So the woman told me to turn to the left. Got it? Now third picture. I am not well. Where is it? I am not well. You should go to the doctor. Right? I am not well. You should go to the doctor. Now let's look at the sentence. Brian wasn't well. I advised. What did I advise? To go to the doctor. So I advised what? Him. क्योंकि Brian is a male. I advised him to go to a doctor. I advised him to go to the doctor. Now, fourth picture. Just look here. Can you help me? Linda is saying to you means आपको. So, what will be the sentence? Let's look. Linda had a lot of luggage. She asked me to, क्या पूछा उसने? Help her. To help her. She asked me to help her. Fifth, just look at the picture. I am busy now. Come back in 10 minutes. आपने किसको बोला? Tom को. You told Tom that he should come back in 10 minutes. Now let's make the sentence. Here, I was busy. I told Tom. I told किसको कहा आपने? Tom को, है ना? You told Tom to come back in 10 minutes. To come back in 10 minutes. To come back in 10 minutes. Got it, children? So these sentences are not at all so difficult if you are in a practice of speaking English. This is not a big deal because we are using these sentences very frequently in our day-to-day conversation. Now see, next. Can I use your phone? You asked. And Paul said, of course. Now let's see the sentence. I want to make a phone call. Paul, let me use his phone. Let me use his phone. Okay. Next, seventh. You are here and here it is Sue. Don't phone before 8 o'clock. What you are saying to Sue? Not to phone before 8 o'clock. Now let's look at the sentence. Sue is going to phone later. Sue is going to phone later. I told her not to phone. I told her not to phone before 8 o'clock. Okay. Now see children, in these sentences you must have observed that wherever we are using the words like let, we are not using to. है ना? अब next, last picture. This is you and this is Anne. Okay. Do you play the piano? Yes, my mother taught me. What is Anne saying? Yes, my mother taught me. Next. Sorry, not next. Let's come to the sentence. Anne's mother taught her to play the piano. To play the piano. Got it? Now, next exercise. Complete these sentences with the verbs in the list. Sometimes to is necessary, to go, to wait, etc. Sometimes to is not necessary. Okay, go, wait, etc. So let's see how we can make the sentences. Especially with make and let, we do not use to. Okay, so first, please stay here. Please stay here. First one. I don't want you to go. This is already done. Second, I didn't hear what she said, so I asked her to repeat. What we are going to use? To repeat. This one. Okay. Third, shall we begin? No. Let's dash a few minutes. Now see, we are using let's. So again, we will not use to. So let's wait. What it is? Let's wait for few minutes. Fourth, are they already here? I expected them to. अब यहाँ पे wait, let and make नहीं है, तो if let and make is not here, then we'll add to. So I expected them to arrive. I expected them to arrive much later. Got it? Now, next sentence. That is sentence number 5. Kevin's parents didn't want him dash married. They did not want him to get married. To get married. Got it? 6th. I want to stay here. I can't make me dash. Sorry. I want to stay here. You can't make me dash with you. Means I want to stay here. मैं यहाँ रुकना चाहता हूँ या चाहती हूँ. You can't make me what? Yes. अगर मैं रहना चाहती तो तुम क्या करोगे? You can't make me go with you. अब make आ रहा है तो to नहीं आएगा. Got it? Now next sentence. 7th. Is that your bicycle? No. It's John's. No, it's John's. Let me dash it. Let me borrow it. है ना? Borrow means किसी से उधार लेना. उधार लेना. And now because you might have seen कि it is using let, so we will not use to. Okay. Next sentence. Mary can't come to the party. She told me dash you. She told me to tell you. अब देखो told आ रहा है, we can use to. So to tell you. Got it? Next. Would you like a drink? Would you like me dash some coffee? Would you like a drink? Would you like me to make? To make भी हो सकता है, to get भी हो सकता है. Okay. Then last one. And doesn't like me. What makes you? Again make आ गया है तो we will not use to and we will simply write the main verb. What makes you think that? Got it, children? Now on unit 53 I went to the shop. To मैं shop पे गई. To what? Do something. To buy, to purchase, to sell. You can go to a shop to buy or sell or to see. Okay. So same way here we are going to discuss the sentences where we are again using to plus first form of main verb. Right? To infinitives. Got it? They are called as to infinitives. So let us see to the examples. Paula wanted a newspaper. She went to the shop. Why did she go to the shop? To buy a newspaper. So she went to the shop to buy a newspaper. Second, let's continue. To buy, to see, etc. tells us why a person is doing something. Why are you going out? To get some bread. And went to the station to meet her friend. क्या करने गई थी? वो यहाँ आप reason बता रहे हो. She turned on the television to watch the news. I'd like to go to Spain to learn Spanish. Okay. Now when it comes in the matter of money or time and then to and then do something. I need some money to buy food. I haven't got time to watch the television. Got it? Next. Use of to and for. So to के संग हम क्या करते हैं? To plus verb. Right? Verb's first form. Right? And when we are using for, we will use for plus noun. For के संग क्या लगाते हैं? Noun. Okay. So now let's look at the examples. First we look at the examples of to. Okay. So to plus V1 form. To buy, to see, to look. Okay, that way. I went to the shop to buy a newspaper. They are going to Scotland to see their friends. We need some money to buy food. Got it? Now here we are giving the reason why we are doing this action. Now let's see to the use of for. Okay. I went to the shop for a newspaper. There अब for buy a newspaper will be wrong. यहाँ पे for के संग हमेशा नाउन आता है. तो आप क्या करने गए थे? आप न्यूज़पेपर के लिए, for means के लिए. ओके, तो आप न्यूज़पेपर के लिए गए थे. ओके, नेक्स्ट दे आर गोइंग टू स्कॉटलैंड फॉर अ हॉलीडे. वी नीड सम मनी फॉर फूड. भोजन के लिए, खाने के लिए मनी चाहिए. हॉलीडेज के लिए स्कॉटलैंड जा रहे हैं. गॉट इट? दैट वे वी विल यूज for. Same way, use of wait for. Wait for के लिए. For means के लिए. Wait. है ना? तो मैं उसके लिए वेट कर रही हूँ. मैं उसके लिए वेट कर रही हूँ. है ना? That way, please wait for me. Are you waiting for the bus? ठीक है? So for के संग what we have used? A pronoun. And here we have used a noun. Next, wait to. Next is wait to, यानी do something. तो हमने यहाँ wait के बाद क्या लगाया है? Verb. Okay. Hurry up. I am waiting to go. So we one form is used. I waiting to see the doctor. Okay. So here we have used wait for plus noun or pronoun, right? Here we have used wait plus first form of verb. Now next, wait for somebody or something to. I can't go out yet. I am waiting for John to phone. अब आपने इसमें दोनों यूज किए हैं. मैं जॉन के लिए वेट कर रही हूँ कि वो मुझे फोन करे. ओके, सो आई एम वेटिंग फॉर जॉन टू फोन. Are you waiting for the doctor to come? क्या तुम डॉक्टर के लिए वेट कर रहे हो कि वो आए? Got it? So this is how we use. So now let's continue with the exercises. Now exercise 53.1. Okay. Write sentences beginning with I went to. Okay. So first one is already done. I went to the station to catch a train. Right? Second. Now the second one. I went. Okay. I went to the cafe to meet a friend. To meet a friend. So I went दिया है the cafe. You have to just add to meet a friend. Third, I went to the post office. किस लिए जाओगे post office? Obviously to get some stamps. So to get some stamps. अब see we are using went. तो went to आएगा. Last, I went to the supermarket to buy some food. Okay. So this is how we will do this exercise. Now let's move to the next. Finish the sentences, choose from the box. They have given the beginning of the sentence and we have to finish them. Means we have to give them the correct ending. Okay. Or we can say that we have to complete the sentences. Right. First one is already done. I turned on the television to watch the news. Okay. Second, Alice sat down in an armchair to read the newspaper. Got it? Do I need a key? अब key किस लिए चाहिए होता है? Obviously to open this door. So this is your third one. Okay. Fourth, I went for a walk by the river. अब आप walk पे क्यों जाते हो? To get some fresh air. To get some fresh air. Fifth, I knocked at the door of David's room. Now you are knocking somebody's room. Why will you knock? Obviously to wake him up. So to wake him up. Last, the doorbell rang. So I looked out of the window to see who it was. Got it, children? Here this exercise is also done. Now we'll move to the next exercise. Use your own ideas to finish these sentences. Use to. What you have to use? You have to use to. Okay. First one is already done. I went to the shop to buy a newspaper. I am very busy. I haven't got time to. Now this you will add by yourself. I haven't got time to play iPhone, and now you can write anything. I phoned and to tell her about the class or anything. Okay. Fourth, I am going out to buy something, or I am going out to visit my aunt. That way. Okay. Fifth, I borrowed some money to buy a dress or whatever. So here you have all this exercise has to be done by you by yourself. Got it? Now let's move to next, that is 53.1. Sorry, 53.4. That is put to or for. तो to के बाद क्या लगता है? We use verb. For के बाद क्या लगता है? Noun. Means जहाँ noun आ रहा है there we will use for, और जहाँ verb आ रहा है we will use to. Right? Let's move. First is already done. Paula went to the shop to buy. Buy is a verb.